Hi guys, welcome back to the official channel of VideoProc. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a black and white text effect that is saw in the intro. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Launch VideoProc and create a new project. First, find the text icon in the toolbar and click on it. Delete the text content. Then, locate the camera icon above the preview window and click on it to generate a pure black image. Now we go back to the software interface and click on this button. In the background property, change the color to green. Next, select the existing text in the subtitle track. Go to the inspector in the top right corner to customize the desired text. Choose a font style from the font list. Adjust text size and position as needed. Once done, scroll down to the text shadow properties and remove the text shadow. Now, you can click on the camera icon to generate the current text image. Continue by replacing the text content on this text layer and adjusting the position. Generate another image with a different text using the same method. Repeat this process to create a third and fourth image with a different text. Now you have all four images ready. Drag and drop them into the software. Now let's click on this button to change the background color back to white. Drag the black image onto the video track and adjust the duration. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to add the animation for this image. Click Add keyframe on the first frame to set the initial position. Adjust the size to cover the entire screen. Move the playhead forward and click Add keyframe again to create an identical keyframe. Continue adding more keyframes with shorter intervals to make the motion smoother. Now, select the first keyframe and move the box downward until it is out of the screen. Choose the second keyframe and move the box upward until it is out of screen. To enhance the following effect, add a speed up speed curve. Move the box up forward for the third keyframe to create a bounce effect. Add a speed down speed curve to this keyframe. Adjust the fourth keyframe to represent the downward motion. Move the box upward for the fifth keyframe to simulate a bounce. Make sure it is higher than the third keyframe. Finally, adjust the last keyframe to move the box upward and out of the screen. Preview the effect. And click Apply to return to the main interface. Now, drag the other three text images one by one onto the overlay track and adjust their durations. In the inspector, click Height to make all three images fit to the screen. Then go to the chroma key areas and enable it to remove the green screen. Lastly, scroll down to the compositing area and add the exclusion blend mode to all three images. That's it for the gravity bounce animation. Open the Effects panel at the top left corner. Find the Disturbed effect and drag it onto the effect track. Align it with the second half of the third text image. Click on the plus icon on the far left of the effect track to add a new track. Drag the power off effect to this track and adjust the duration to align with the end. On top of that, import some heat and a TV turn-off sound effects. Add the heat sound effect to match a bounce position in the video. Create several audio tracks and drag the sound effects onto the timeline to edit them. Make sure the sound synchronizes perfectly with the visuals for seamless effect. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you have any other content you'd like to see, don't forget to leave us a message and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!